Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we have something very special to share with you. It is about a tool called Submagic, which is great for making subtitles for your videos. Before we start, I want to tell you that if you want to try Submagic for yourself, there's a link where you can sign up. You'll find it in the video description and in a comment I've pinned right below this video. So Submagic is a tool that is very helpful for people who make videos and need subtitles. Maybe you are a YouTuber, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves making videos. Submagic is made to be easy, so even if you are not professional, you can use it. It supports many different subtitles file types, so it means that you can use Submagic with tools or with a lot of different video editing programs. There are a lot of good things about Submagic. So for example, it has a simple design so you don't get lost trying to find what you need. It is great for syncing your subtitles with the audio in your video. It means that your subtitles will appear at the right time when someone is speaking. So Submagic also checks your spelling, which is very helpful to make sure your subtitles are perfect. However, Submagic has some limitations. If you are a professional video editor, you might find that Submagic doesn't have all the advanced features that you need. Some types of videos files might not work well with it. Also, if you are new to making subtitles, you might need a little time to learn how to use Submagic, but don't worry because it is not that hard. Now let me explain how you can create subtitles using Submagic. First of all, you open Submagic and load your video into it. Then you start writing your subtitles. You can type the words that are spoken in the video and adjust the timing so the subtitles match with the speaking. Submagic will let you change when each subtitle starts and ends. After you are done, you can save your subtitles and you can choose the format you need for your video editing software. I have tried Submagic myself and I think it's a great tool, especially if you are new or just starting out. So it is very easy, so you don't need any complex features. It makes creating subtitles simple and fast. For more professional needs, you might want to use it along with other tools. Don't forget, if you want to try out Submagic, click the sign up link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. It's a good way to make your video better and more accessible to everyone.